This is where family members and friends and everyone you know says, I can't hear myself talk, I can't hear you talk, I can't hear myself think, I'm not going to use this piece of equipment. So I'm really excited for us to get in the remote hood fan and connect that up and see how much less noise it is. So you can see we're about 38 to 40 decibels with our hood off. That's just going to be the ambient noise of the kitchen. And I will go ahead and turn our hood fan on low first, which interestingly is turning the dial all the way. And that's going to be about 68 to 70 decibels. And then we're going to turn the fan on all the way. And you can hear it even in the video. This is where family members and friends and everyone you know says, I can't hear myself talk, I can't hear you talk, I can't hear myself think, I'm not going to use this piece of equipment. So I'm really excited for us to get in the remote hood fan and connect that up and see how much less noise it is, so I can encourage everyone to go ahead and use that. When you're cooking from a natural gas stove, you're going to have carbon monoxide emissions, formaldehyde, other VOCs, nitrogen oxides. We want our hood to take away these emissions, these chemicals, the odors. Even without a gas stove, cooking is a chemical reaction. You're going to have emissions. So I'm hoping by making a quieter hood, we will make everyone more excited and willing to use it. So the ambient noise in our kitchen seems to run between 35 and 40 decibels. I am so excited for the moment of truth. We're going to go ahead and turn the fan on full first. But it's hard to maybe tell on video, so let's go ahead and measure. So that is on high. This is an adjustable fan that actually turns on high first. It's around 52, 53. Let's go ahead and actually turn that to low and check it out. 50. It's just such a difference. We're going to be able to have conversations. I will admit that my husband told me that sometimes he uses the fan when I'm around so he doesn't get caught not using it. And the other day he used it. We've already used this twice. And he left the fan on by accident. That never would have happened in the past. So I'm excited now to cook more using the fan. There's no reason not to use this. It's so much more pleasant. And to have conversations in the kitchen, we will be happier and healthier. And I already feel this is such a success.